In this book that I got from the auction, look at how big that is. That's huge. Is a treasure trove of labels, I've determined. Because at the ends of every single one of these pages are all these labels that are individual to a company. Look at that. And at the top, both sides. Oh my gosh, this is a lifetime of ephemera. So this is from 1966. Isn't that fantastic? I need to make something, or at least 4 little somethings, out of all of these books that I got when I went to the auction. Let's see what I can come up with. This will be another wing it. I've got the start of these. Did a little gluing there. Made a little journaling card for each of these. So these are from the Bloomington Normal 1966 directory, and Bloomington Normal is in McLean County. I'll look through this book and see if there's some people that I can cut out to embellish the front. Oh, how pretty. Let's see if I can find some people to cut out to glue on the covers of these. There we go, just a quick 4. Thank you so much for joining me today. I always appreciate it when you watch my videos. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe. Bye.